I'm Jennifer and I'm so excited you're here. Summer is just around the corner and I cannot wait to get my summer decorating started. Before we do that, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I'm going to start off with the summer changes I made in my bedroom first. I had a really nice thick plushy comforter on the bed. It was really soft, but it was also really warm. It was great for winter, but now I've traded that out for a really nice soft white quilt for summer. In the guest bathroom, I took away a dark colored basket and just added a white porcelain tray, a white porcelain vase with a little flower, and a white and gold alarm clock. In the entryway of my home, I added a large vase with eucalyptus branches, a little stool in the hall so that everyone could put down their purse or bag or sit down to put their shoes off and on, with a little more eucalyptus in a flower pot that's woven. And on this little entryway table, I added some beautiful flowers and a little lantern. And of course, family photos always make the space feel like home. Moving into the dining room next, from the front entryway, I kept with the eucalyptus theme from the front hall. I added a eucalyptus wreath. This will bring in some lovely greenery for the summer, as well as these beautiful flowers. Here I have some special gifts from friends and family. They all coordinate in shades of green. And these lovely little birds all go so nicely together. On the lower portion of the buffet, I have another little beautiful greenery plant that was a gift, as well as these beautiful little birds. And once again, family photos make this space so much more personal and more special. For the dining room table, I'm simply going to change out the tablecloth and put something on that's much more summery. These lightweight neutral placemats really brighten up the room, and I put a simple centerpiece right in the center of the table. I've taken everything out of my kitchen and cleaned it so that I can decorate it now for summer. I have these glass containers with a bamboo lid, and I'm going to use these to store pasta and rice. I've alternated the pasta to give it a little more interest. This container was perfect for rice. I'll start putting all of my decor into the kitchen. I love keeping the decor in my home very simple and very useful. The only things I need on this small space are a napkin basket and another family photo. I love adding family photos in wherever I can. I have a buffet off to the side of my kitchen. On this buffet, I kept things very simple and practical. I have a basket for cell phone chargers and a couple of candles. And on the bottom, a useful tray with more family photos. I placed this very large white crock on my kitchen island, full of white cherry blossoms. And with the addition of the cherry blossoms, my kitchen is complete. It's simple and clean and updated and uncluttered, and it'll be so nice for summer. None of the decor will get in my way as I'm cooking and moving about my kitchen. I'm changing out these woolly, wintry looking pillows for a nice, soft, updated corduroy slip cover pillow. I purchased these slip covers on Amazon. On this leather accent chair, I've taken away the dark brown, thick, plushy, wintry blanket. I've added a nice neutral, textured pillow and a very lightweight woven throw. On this accent chair, I've also taken away the other thick brown woolly blanket and replaced it with a nice textured knit blanket. This is from the Hearth and Hand collection from Target. And I've also placed a nice neutral, light colored soft pillow in the chair. Near my fireplace, I've placed a large metal basket with woven handles. This is a perfect place to store all of the wintry throw blankets when they're not in use. On my coffee table, I added a small wooden tray with a lovely little rabbit in a natural tone, some wooden beads, some oversized wooden coasters, a rustic little crock, and the greenery that I needed to finish off my living room. I had so much fun decorating today and putting out all new different things for the season, and I'm so glad you're here. I appreciate it so much, and I'm truly grateful. I would be so happy if you hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.